Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Kanji time. Today, let's review N4 kanji. 参りましょう。If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. This kanji means ray, light. The on reading is kou, as in 観光, meaning sightseeing. And the kun reading for this kanji is 光, hika, as in 光る, meaning to shine, glitter. This kanji means public, prince, official, governmental. The on reading is kou, ku, as in 公園, meaning park. And the kun reading for this kanji is 公, as in 公の場, meaning public appearances. This kanji means copy, to be photographed, describe. The on reading is 写, as in 写真, meaning photograph. And the kun reading is 写, as in 写す, meaning to copy. 写す, to copy. This kanji means winter. The on reading is と, as in 冬至, meaning winter solstice. And the kun reading is 冬, as in 真冬, meaning middle of the winter. 真冬寒い! Middle of winter is called 真冬, and middle of the summer is 真夏. 真夏は暑い. 真冬は寒い. This kanji means cut, cut off, be sharp. The on reading is 節, 歳, as in 大切, meaning important. 大切! And the kun reading is 木, as in 切る, meaning to cut. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 公の場、光る、大切、写真、真冬。Now say the meaning of the following words. 切る to cut 冬至 winter solstice 公園 park 観光 sightseeing 写す to copy. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again at the next kanji time.
声使う。そうだと思う。本当にここら辺で出せば全然喉痛くないもん。なんで笑うの全然変わらないよ Describe.
How are you?
I feel good.
That's good.
You're so chill.
You're so chill.
You're certainly entitled to that opinion.
I don't understand.
Oh, not again.
See you again.